Hello students! In this video, we will discuss the vocabulary words for the story, What Do Illustrators Do? Our first vocabulary word is imagine. To imagine something means to see a picture in your mind. An example sentence is, some artists paint real things. Other artists paint things that they imagine. Now let's think about it. Let's imagine different things that we can see in this image. What about in this image? You can pause the video or go back to the first image if you want to, discuss it over, and then come back when you're ready. Our next vocabulary word is tools. Tools are things people use to help them do a job. An example sentence is, artists use tools such as brushes, pencils, and markers to make art. Now let's think about it. Let's think about different kinds of tools. For each tool on the chart, we're going to mention who uses it and how it is used. I also want you to pretend that you are the person using it and act like you're using it. The tools that you will be discussing are shovel, dictionary, hammer, and backpack. Pause this video, discuss it over, and then come back when you're ready. Our next vocabulary word is illustrate. To illustrate is to make pictures that show something. An example sentence is, this artist has started to illustrate or draw pictures for a storybook. Let's think about it. What story would you love to illustrate? Pause this video, talk it over, and then come back when you're ready to continue. Our next vocabulary word is scribbles. Scribbles are drawings or doodles drawn in a quick, careless way. Most children make messy scribbles before they learn to draw well. That's our example sentence. Now let's think about it. Act like you have a magic pen to write in the air. Now act like you're making scribbles in the air. Make a lot of scribbles, my friends. Make scribbles. Our next vocabulary word is sketches. Sketches are quick, simple drawings. The example sentence is, painters often make sketches or rough drawings before they begin to paint. Now let's think about it. Let's use the questions below to think more about the meaning of sketches and discuss the answers. Why do artists make sketches? How are sketches helpful in other types of work? What words could be a synonym for sketches when we are talking about writing? Pause this video, talk it over, and then come back when you're ready to continue. Our next vocabulary word is tracing. Tracing something means copying the outline or shape of it. Tracing paper is a special kind of see-through paper used to help with tracing. Our example sentence is, using see-through tracing paper lets you make an exact copy of something. Now let's think about it. Have you ever used tracing paper? When would you use tracing as a drawing technique? Pause this video, talk it over, and then come back when you're ready to continue. Our next vocabulary word is research. To do research means to search for something and study information about a topic. An example sentence is, sometimes artists need to do research to find out what things look like. Now let's think about it. Have you ever done research on a topic? Let's look at different topics and decide if you would like to do research on it. Would you like to do research about dinosaurs? What about ballet? How about how to make the best cake in the world? Or about classical music? Pause this video, talk it over, and come back when you're ready to continue. Our next word is textures. Textures are different ways that surfaces look or feel. An example sentence is, paper can have different textures. It can look and feel rough and smooth. Now let's think about it. How do the textures of sand and fur feel on your fingers? And what do scratchy textures feel like? What about soft textures? Thank you.